native speakers keep conversations flowing? Let's find out. How's your week going? Ask about the person's week. How's your week going? It's going well, thanks. What have you been up to lately? Ask what someone has been doing recently. What have you been up to lately? Just working and reading a bit. How's everything at work or school? Ask politely about someone's work or studies. How's everything at work? Busy, but good. Have you heard about a topic? Introduce a trending topic for discussion. Have you heard about the new movie? Yes, it looks exciting. I can't believe it's already day or month. Comment on time passing quickly. I can't believe it's already November. I know, time flies. That must be exciting. Show interest in what someone says. I just got promoted. That must be exciting. I see what you mean. Show understanding in a conversation. I don't like crowded places. I see what you mean. That sounds challenging. React politely to a difficult situation someone shares. I have to finish this project by tomorrow. That sounds challenging. What do you think about a topic? Invite someone to share their opinion. What do you think about the new cafe? I like it, very cozy. I've been meaning to ask. Politely start a question you wanted to ask. I've been meaning to ask, how's your new job? It's going well. How do you usually spend your weekends? Ask about hobbies and routine. How do you usually spend your weekends? I usually hike or read. That reminds me. Connect someone's story to your experience. I went hiking last weekend. That reminds me, I love hiking too. What's been the highlight of your week? Ask about positive experiences. What's been the highlight of your week? I went to a concert on Friday. I guess we all have those days. Empathize politely with someone's frustration. I'm so tired today. I guess we all have those days. That's easier said than done. When something is harder in practice than in words. I'll start waking up at 5 a.m. That's easier said than done. You don't say. Express polite surprise. I met a famous actor yesterday. You don't say. I couldn't agree more. Strong agreement with someone's opinion. This city has great food. I couldn't agree more. That's quite impressive. Compliment someone naturally. I finished the project ahead of schedule. That's quite impressive. Do you follow a topic or event? Ask if someone keeps up with news, sports, or trends. Do you follow the football league? Yes, I try to watch every game. It's always nice catching up with you. Polite ending to a small talk conversation. It's always nice catching up with you. Same here.